All right, we got the TRX Assisted Squat here. You're going to use those TRX straps for balance and to allow yourself to sit back into a squat and allow yourself to just kind of master the technique and accumulate some squat volume here. Okay, so you'll see how I'm kind of keeping my elbows kind of tucked. Naturally, when I come down, I'm going to have to allow those to break a little bit, but I want you to stay tall through the chest. Really focus on this external rotation of the hips here. So when you descend into a squat, you want to push those knees out and allow that external rotational stability to become a factor for you and to become your default operating system when you squat. So knees kind of push out a little bit. You squat down between your knees, not over top of the knees. The TRX band squat here just really allows you to work on the technique substantially. And you can do it with your arms extended if you want to too, but I think it's always best to kind of keep them tucked and almost be in somewhat of a row position. But this is fine too if you want to go this route. But this is really just kind of a learning tool to learn how to squat, the depth that you can get comfortable in. You can work a little hip mobility here, but here again, you'll see I'm kind of rowed back with my arms and they naturally have to fade forward a little bit as I descend there. But if you really want to amp this up a little bit, you can throw a band on the knees. So now we're fighting against the band when we do this squat a little bit. So we're actually kind of building some strength, being able to push those knees outwards as we kind of screw the feet into the ground and then allow that external rotation to really help us get deep into the squat and be nice and stable down through there. You really don't want to let your knees knock inwards when you squat. Okay, that's called valgus knee collapse, and that just leads to all kinds of issues. So again, I got my arms extended here, going deep into the squat there. And because of this stability this helps you with, it really allows you to accumulate some volume, but also feel very sturdy and stable as you're really perfecting your squat mechanics.